After finishing a bridge modeling, we go on with the files retrieve. Click on the tick on the lower right. We finished the modeling. If there are any errors concerning the connector thickness, we can go on anyway. Click on the white small folder that concerns the order management. Among the filters, click on the little factory so the first order we find is the last one we saved. If you click on the first stripe, you can see the model preview. Otherwise, if you click on the second stripe, you can see the modeling preview. So in this second stripe, click on the three small lines, retrieve production file, and choose the format you are interested in. Here we are in our production window, in our doctor section, in this case proof. We have to create a new folder called with the patient's name, and we are calling it bridge. Open it and save it.